quick steps, nothing extra. Let's start. In the first step, press and keep holding the top key for a few seconds. Then, if there is no response, attach it to a power source. Now off. Give it a little time before attempting again. In the next step, connect it to a charger using the original wire. Now see if a battery icon appears on the display. Then swap the cable or adapter if necessary. In the next step, hold down both the top key and the volume key, then continue holding until a logo pops up. Later, let go of the buttons when the screen turns on. In the next step, look at the charger and port fault or damage. Now, test by plugging it into a computer instead of a socket. Later, make sure everything is properly connected. In the next step, adjust screen brightness using external buttons. Now, check if there are any sounds indicating it is working. Then lightly press on the display to check for any reaction. You are good to go.